Welcome to 𝐷𝐄𝐻 City, a project by Limestone developers. Located in the bustling city of Faridabad, 𝐷𝐄𝐻 City has impeccable connectivity with easy access to Delhi, Gurgaon and Noida. The Delhi-Mathura highway, you find an alternative route to Faridabad via the Faridabad bypass road, as well as connectivity to Gurugram and Badkhal road. The social infrastructure in this region is very strong. A 3,000-bed hospital, Mata Amrita Hospital, is coming soon in Sector 88. Also, there are more than 10 multi-speciality hospitals like Asian Hospitals, Sector 21, Metro Hospital Sector 16, QRG Sector 16, Fortis NIT, Sarvodaya Hospital Sector 8, Sudha Rastogi Hospital Sector 88, etc. There are also a total of 30 branded schools, with some of the major ones being Aravali, DPS 81, Shivnadar, Sector 82, Mother's Pride Sector 82, Shri Ram Millennium World School Sector 85, The Modern School Sector 85, APJ School Sector 15, Kalka Public School Sector 78, Manav Rachna International School Sector 14, etc. You need to take a left from before Bata Chowk Metro to reach your opulent abode. As you go straight on this road towards Ashray Bhavan Road, you get seamless connectivity to Faridabad Bypass Road. There are also several malls in this area like Omax World Street Sector 79, Vipul Plaza Sector 81, Puri 81 High Street Sector 81, SRS Mall, Station 1, Silver City, etc. You will need to take a left on FNG to reach your destination. A proposed road is planned to arrive at this location, which will directly connect the site to Greater Noida via underpass. Sitting at the confluence of major roads, 𝐷𝐄𝐻 City offers connectivity via Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, 75-meter wide road and Yamuna Expressway. Introducing 𝐷𝐄𝐻 City, a residential plots scheme under Deen Dayal Jan Awas Yojana, an affordable housing scheme by State Government of Haryana. It is a gated community in Sector 97 Faridabad with a total of 25 acres of independent land. The luxurious project is designed keeping open spaces in mind and offers a range of varied amenities such as power backup, clubhouse, swimming pool and gym, indoor-outdoor games, commercial complex, two-side gated complex, 24/7 security and CCTV surveillance, kids playing area, park with a lush green landscape, underground electrification wires, PNG, pipeline installed, opposite upcoming commercial sector 100. At 𝐷𝐄𝐻 City, you have the freedom to design your house as you have fantasized always. Plus, you can customize the interior how you see fit or desire. There is always a particular emotional attachment to choosing everything in your home. You all have the ability to create this brand new expression of who you are and what you represent.